The chain prompt technique refers to a practical method of effectively using generative AI models. This technique involves receiving a model's response to a user's request or question, and then consecutively presenting the next question or instruction to produce more meaningful results. Let's explore this chain prompt technique, focusing on practical applications. The chain prompt stroke step-by-step prompt technique is a prompt engineering method that can be described as continuously expanding the interaction between the user and AI model to guide the flow of the conversation, resulting in meaningful outcomes. The chain prompt technique serves to personalize and refine the conversation by using the output of one prompt as part of the next prompt. Through this method, AI models can offer flexible and natural conversations tailored to user needs, ultimately leading to high-quality results. Now, let's delve into how this chain prompt technique is applied using an actual example. For the first prompt, we request a list of various copy-making methods. Various methods can be presented in this list. Among them, there might be a coffee called French press. If so, we can request step-by-step instructions on how to make a French press coffee. Let's actually run this chain prompt through an AI service. After logging into Chatgpt, we'll ask, please list the various coffee-making methods. So it will suggest methods like Americano, Cafe Latte, Espresso, Latte, Latte Macchiato, French press, AeroPress, etc. Then, if I'm curious about the French press coffee, I can use the listed French press as an optional parameter by requesting, please provide step-by-step instructions for making French press coffee. The second prompt will provide the necessary ingredients and step-by-step instructions, giving a detailed guide on how to make French press coffee. Let's explore another example of applying the chain prompt technique. This time, we'll first derive a draft idea and then write a specific article based on that draft using the chain prompt technique. First, the prompt lets request 5 blog post ideas. From here, we'll derive ideation for the blog. Then, from these derived ideas, we can proceed with, please write an outline for the second topic. Next, for the introduction of the article, we might request, please write a 2,000 character passage focused on the importance of keeping up to date with design trends and the influence of design trends on the overall aesthetics of a bedroom. After accessing Chatgpt, as you can see, we'll attempt to derive ideas for this company. We have derived 5 ideas for the article list. Among them, we'll attempt to write an article on the topic behind the scenes, how our cotton blankets are made. Then, let's derive an outline for this second topic. Looking at our topic, we have come up with an outline titled Behind the Scenes, how our cotton blankets are made. After deriving this outline, we'll proceed to write this introduction, incorporating the theme of the importance of staying updated with design trends and the impact they have on an overall aesthetics of a bedroom, aiming for a length of 2,000 characters. In this way, the chain prompt technique starts with a simple query, uses the information derived from that query as a foundation, and progressively refines the information to produce the desired quality in the final result. This method is what we describe as the chain prompt technique.